Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming a power hour cleanup of our basement. My son is having some friends over for a sleepover for his birthday, and I need to get this down here cleaned up because this is where they're all going to be, and this is where they're going to be sleeping tonight, down here in the basement. So I need to tidy it up and freshen it up and just get rid of a lot of this mess, especially before the parents come by to drop off their boys to spend the night here. So I thought I would film this for you. It's just a quick power hour. It's not a deep clean of anything. It's just, how to quickly freshen it up and tidy it up. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this power hour video, and we need to get started. Look at all of this mess. This is horrible. Wait till you see what's in that trash can. It's so disgusting. But yeah, look at the mess here. Random socks, toys everywhere, just a mess. Pillows, wrappers, so much garbage. Yeah, so let's do this. So to clean up this basement, I am going to start randomly picking things up off the floor. When I came down here, I really didn't know where to start, so I thought I will pick up as much as I can off the floor and start putting things away. As long as they're off the floor, then I can sort through them later. So after I do that, I just kind of move around and tidy up. There are some spots in the carpet that I want to clean. I'm going to bring my little portable carpet washer and clean up some of the spots, since the boys are going to be spreading out all of their sleeping bags down here in the basement. So I'm going to make sure that I clean the carpet really well. I'm going to sprinkle baking soda on it and vacuum it up, and just kind of, make the place nice for everyone.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you.
So this garbage can is absolutely disgusting. The kids use it to throw away all their crafts and all the random food that they bring down here, and I hadn't looked at it in a while. I did not realize it was this full, and on top of it, it didn't have a bag. So it was super disgusting. I mean, you'll see. And then it was just way too much. I had to use 2 bags for it, and I spill it all over the floor. Total complete fail in trying to put away the garbage. So it ends up having to be even more of a mess than what it was before. But I do get it all done, and you'll see I have 2 bags of garbage that come out of there. It's so disgusting. Later on, I didn't have time to do it today, but later on I'm going to have to wash out the inside of that garbage can because it was so disgusting.
It kind of makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't want to get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la
So this is the girls' craft area. The table is pretty much demolished. There's paint all over it. I don't know how to clean it up. We did try to use scissors to kind of scrape off that paint that's there. If you guys know of a really, really good cleaner, that will, you know, pull up all of those stains, then please leave them in the comment section for me below, because I really need to get this done and I don't know what to use. I've used soap, I've used the random surface cleaners, and they're just not strong enough. I really need a good cleaner to be able to wipe off all of that paint that's on there. Yeah, so I'm going to put away all of this stuff. There's a ton of you know, slime supplies, nail polish, glue, clay, paint brushes, everything is on here. So it takes a while to clean it up, but we get it done. So yeah, I'm going to continue cleaning this table. The girls later on scrub it down with soap as to the best of their, you know, the best that they can do it. And I'm going to put a tablecloth on it later tonight and serve all the pizza and the cake and everything on it.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright.
So this bathroom is the forgotten bathroom. I don't take care of it as well as I should compared to the other bathrooms in the house, but to be honest, people don't use it very much in the family. The girls mostly use it to wash their hands after they do crafts and really just to wash out their containers and things like that. So I'm just going to do a disinfecting of it and wipe the mirror down. I also did do the toilet, but I didn't really film that. And then I clean up the floor too in here. I don't know if I actually have footage of that, but I do clean the floor in here too because I figured the boys are going to be down here and they're going to be using it. So yeah, just going to wipe this down really well. I'm using the disinfecting Lysol, I think it is, 409 spray, and some scrubbing bubbles for the sink, and just make sure that I really wipe it down well. And then also, like I said, I'm going to clean off that mirror, and later on I bring down a fresh towel and some extra toilet paper too, so the boys will have that tonight in case they need it. So I know this isn't a deep clean video and I am only giving myself an hour to do this, but I did notice that the windows were pretty dusty and I want to make sure that I get rid of a lot of the dust that's down here. I don't want them to be sneezing or uncomfortable while they're sleeping. So I'm just going to give the windows a quick wipe down and the surfaces a quick wipe down as well, just in case there's dust that bothers them tonight.
cried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside, baby.
And now for the vacuuming. I'm using this 2-piece vacuum. I don't know what brand it is, but my husband had it when he was a bachelor and it just kind of stayed in the basement. I usually use the Dyson, but it's not working, the big Dyson, so I am using this 2-piece. It's really annoying to work with. You'll see me struggling with it a bit. The nice thing about it is that it does get underneath furniture really easily. It goes really, really flat, but it's awkward to use. You have to pull around this bottom piece where you go, and it's heavy. So I don't really enjoy using it very much. It's quite a struggle to use it. I did spray that. You saw me sprinkle the baking soda on there. I want to make sure, like I said, that I freshen up the carpet. And see how that vacuum is? It's just really irritating to use. So it took me a while to vacuum this whole area down here. It's sped up so you can't tell that, but it did take me a while to vacuum it all. It took, I don't know, too much time out of my power hour to vacuum up this place.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with hard.
And I realized that I need to also vacuum the stairs. So I do use my portable Dyson for stairs. I love using this one. It's the Dyson V8. I love using it with this, taking out the long pole and just shortening it up like this. It gets really, really deep into this carpet. This carpet is a little bit hard to vacuum to make sure that you get all the crumbs out, so I have to really push it down onto the shag carpeting down here. But I noticed such a difference when I was done. The carpet was so much more fluffy and it just felt really clean when I stepped on it. I need to start doing this more often.
When you're moving your feet on the dance floor and you don't care a thing about a word they say, that's how we play. I am here with my friends and we're dancing. We can feel all the obstacles go.
And this is all that I had time to do for this 1 hour before everybody came over. It was not a deep clean, but I think it's clean enough for the boys to enjoy the room, and I won't cringe when the parents come down here to see where their boys are going to be sleeping for the night. So like I said, I'm going to be putting a tablecloth on that table and putting out all of their snacks and the pizza and the cake over there, so that should work out nicely. The boys are going to be sleeping over by the TV, and all of that over there is cleaned up for them too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this power hour video. I do have a deeper clean video on the basement, and I'm going to link it up here for you in case you want to see how I do that. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed. And if you like cleaning motivation videos, then please click the like button. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!